it's Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to walk you through making this really cute patriotic star craft for Independence Day this weekend. You can stop by the Columbus and Saluda libraries and pick up a packet that looks like this that has all of these supplies in it anytime this week to make your activity today. Now remember that the library will be closed on Friday and Saturday to celebrate the 4th of July, so you want to stop by before that so your star will be ready to help you celebrate. All right? So for this activity, a lot of your materials are already in your bag, so you'll be able to pick those up. But in addition to that, you'll need some colored pencils or markers, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. And then inside your bag, you'll get a star that looks like this. You'll get 2 blue strips of paper, 2 red strips of paper. You'll get a piece of ribbon, and that'll be the hanger for your star later, and 2 googly eyes. All right, so the first thing that you'll do is you'll cut out your star. You'll cut all the way around it. And if you've never used scissors before, you may want to ask your older sibling or a parent to help you out with this activity. But if you've used scissors before, this is excellent practice. So I'm going to cut all the way around the outside of my star. And this is the body of your craft. And when you're finished, you can even name your star character if you want to, because he does have eyes and a mouth. All right, so this is my star. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color it. Now, for this video, I'm not going to color it, but I want to see how beautifully you can color in the lines and decorate your star when you send us a picture. After you get it colored, you're going to fold the arms and legs. So to fold, you're going to start with one end and fold it accordion style. So that means you fold it one way that looks like this. Then you fold it backwards and you keep going forwards and backwards. And as I'm doing that, you can see it's starting to make this cool little shape that's going to give your character some personality with his arms and legs. Go back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Okay, so there's one. And I'm going to keep going and get the other arm. Now, your star can have blue arms or blue legs, or you can mix it up and give him one blue arm and one red arm, or one blue leg and one red leg. You can make it however you want. All right, so there's my accordion style for his other arm. Okay. Then I'll do the same thing with the red to make his legs. I think I'm going to give this guy some red arms. Okay, and the more you practice you get folding paper, the faster you get, which is really cool. Okay. Okay, the next thing that we're going to use in our video is a glue stick. You can use wet glue at home or you can use a glue stick, either way. Or if you don't have glue at home, you can also use tape. All right, so I'm gonna use my glue and I'm gonna give him some red arms. I'm just gonna put some glue on one end here. Stick it into place. Put some glue on the other side and stick it into place. And then I'm going to glue the legs on. The eyes will be the last part to go on before we put on our hanger. So it looks like this right now. His legs are a little uneven, but that's okay. I can pull it out and now his legs are even. Same thing with his arms. I'm going to glue some eyes on. Remember, your glue will dry clear. So if you get any extra on your star, that's okay, because it won't show up. All right, this is the other eye. I need to put some more glue on there. And then last but not least, we're gonna put some glue on the hanger. So I'm gonna put glue on one edge and kind of stick the other edge to it to make a loop that looks like this. I'm gonna hold it together for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it sticks together. I'm gonna put some more glue on it and put it on the back of our star. And press it down too. You can let this dry for a little bit and then it'll be ready to hang up to celebrate Independence Day. Have a great weekend.